Hi, Tony Marriott here. Welcome to this video. So I'll talk a little bit about creating mobile sites. Now within the Total Mobile Pages program, I've now added the ability to access some third-party services to create mobile sites. And you can get there by going to create mobile landing pages, and you'll see it's got some option to create mobile sites here. So just select that option. And if you look down at that option, we basically have a page here. In this particular case, this is powered by Duda Mobile. So this will access the Duda Mobile system to be able to create sites. And we'll be able to, you see, come back and drop a URL in here. We'll be able to add that to the Total Mobile Pages site, and we'll be able to use the QR codes, etc., and the traffic tracking. So this is a quick start video, so I'm going to jump straight in. Now we've got some options on the orange buttons here, and you'll see it says Create from Website, Create from Facebook, and Create from Templates. Let's just have a look at Create from Facebook for a moment. As you'll see, this will open up into the Duda site, and now we can choose a template. There's a number of templates on here, and we can choose a template. So let's just take this Sweet Shop template, and now we've got the option to actually import a site or have a site created from your Facebook page. And you can either search for that or actually type in the Facebook URL. If I just type in Tony Marriott there, I should better find my I Am Insider page. And of course you need to give your site a name. Let's call that Tony1 for now. And then you click Create My Site, and it will go off and it will automatically generate a mobile site from the information on your Facebook page. Pretty cool, right? Okay. Alternatively, if you don't have a Facebook page, you can, of course, just select a template, and it says no Facebook page, no problem, just click Create My Site. So you click Create My Site, and again, it will go off and create a default template site for you to edit. Now, we'll look at editing shortly, so I'm not going to go any further here. I'm going to go back now, and we'll see that we can also create from a website. So I'm going to show you the whole process for this. Let me just create a mobile website from a standard website. Now the first thing it does is ask you for a URL, so http:// and I'm going to put my blog in here at tonymarriott.com, and this is where the magic starts when I click Make My Site Mobile. Now this doesn't change anything on your existing site. Your existing site stays exactly where it is, but as you can see, it starts setting it up, building HTML, extracting navigation, color and content, and then finally testing your mobile website, and very quickly it actually comes up with a mobile website for you. And here we are now in the editor. Now you've got your basic sites now created, and every time you go in, whether it's by a template, whether it's via Facebook, whether it's created from your own site, you'll end up at this kind of point. So now you can literally edit everything. So a couple of things I'm going to look at. The first thing it says is we could not find your site navigation menu. This happens occasionally. Usually it finds the menu and adds that in. So let's just set that up. So let's go to Set Up Navigation. No items, so please select from your desktop site. And there we are. There's my site. And as you can see, here is my menu over here. You can see this. So we simply need to select that and click Done. And it will go off and create my menu for me automatically. And like everything, as I say, you can drill down into it and you can edit everything. So I'm looking here at the menu items. I can change the button colors. I can change the menu background colors. I can even change the text style, etc. And of course the menu items themselves, you can decide what you want and don't want. So I'm just going to go off that for the moment so we can see what we can do. So if I wanted to change my menu item style, I can say take a list style of menu items, for instance. You can see I've now got a list of buttons. I can choose a matrix style. And there we go. As I say, it doesn't matter which one we do. Whenever we've got one, you can customize each bit. So if I click the customize now on this one, you'll see we go back and we drill down into that menu. So if I didn't want this to be blue, I could, let's go to color. Let's change the background color to something completely different so we can actually see that it's actually changed. Here we go, and I've just changed those menu colors. Right, as I say, everything can be done. So we've got layout here. We can look at style. Or we can select different color palettes and change everything around from there. We can we can add a site background image if we want, and you can change the text styles and again the headings and buttons. We can change the header specifically. So let's say we've got the header text up here and we wanted to change that. Then let's change the header image. Let's change that one. And again, we can upload, you can pick from a gallery, there's all sorts you could do here. I'm just going to take an image that's pulled from my site already. Let me crop that one. So I can just take a section of that image that's suitable for the top of there and then crop that. And there we go, we're kind of in there, and I could resize it and do all sorts of things with it. So I say completely editable. What's pretty amazing as well is you can also, if you want to edit particular bits, you simply hover over that piece and click on it, and then you can edit it. And of course that opens up the navigation for whatever it is you want to do. So if I want to click the header again and edit, it will bring up the header information. So you can grab any part of this site and edit any part of it that you want. Okay, let's assume we've edited all that now. I'm going to go onto the next section, and here we can add additional content. We can change the page icons, we can add extra links in, and we can even SEO the pages, etc. So all this is available. I'll let you go through the instructions. All these pages, of course, have a full instructions. If you click on the little question mark at the top, you get a modal box will pop up and it will give you all the instructions on exactly how everything works in here. So I won't go through everything in detail, but I'll kind of just show you. For instance, I wanted to add an image in here or text. Let's take an image. You just drag and drop it into a suitable place in here. So I want to add an image in there. I can now pick an image. Let's pick this mobile phone one, for instance. And okay, I'll do. It's probably a little bit large for reality, but this is looking good to be able to see exactly how all this works. And once I've edited that, then again, I can either go live or go next. It'll do the same thing. And now we get the option to go live. Now, of course, you can do this for free. Up to 10 pages and 500 monthly views. This is ideal for demoing to your customer. So basically get your customer site, drop that in and create a nice mobile site from there. And then you get the option, you can either do that now or later, where you can change that to a premium, in other words, a paid version, takes all the adverts off, etc. Now, one option probably considering best is this one at the top here, which I think is the best one. It's $159 for a lifetime, so you're not paying the monthly fees, and that gives you an opportunity. You wouldn't be charging less than probably $250 even for a small 5-page website, all depending on the size of the site and whatever service you've got. Obviously you can then charge them a monthly fee either instead or as well. Okay, so just to see this, I just want to continue through so you can see we actually publish this. You can use the free version. So click continue, and it takes us here. It says here's your mobile site URL. What you need to do is to copy that URL. I'm just going to right click and copy that. And of course you can also set up mobile redirects, and it's very easy, especially if you've got WordPress. It's literally a matter of clicking on the link here and it will actually open up the site, your own site for you. You need to log in, of course, and there's a Do to Mobile Website Builder. You just click install that. It will literally install the plugin. There's one thing to actually click in there. It just says confirm that the mobile URL is correct, and that will then add the redirect script into your WordPress site, and anybody coming to that WordPress with a mobile will be automatically directed to your mobile site rather than your desktop site. But obviously, if this is your demo site, you're not going to have access to your customer site. You won't be able to redirect at the moment. That'll be all part of what they pay for. So as I said, you simply need to copy this URL. We can go back to Total Mobile Pages. And in the top here, it says add your mobile URL here. So just paste that in there and click add. And that will go off and add that to the system for you. And now if I come down to the bottom here, we should be able to see we've got the mobile, dotomobile.com, Tony Marriott, which is the site we've just created. So we can have a look at that. Just click the link on that one. And there we are, just pops up so you can see this is the site that we've created. And if I close that one down, we can come back and we've got the short code to it now, the Google short code, so you can literally copy and paste that and do whatever you want with that. And also if you click this link here, the page link, it will actually take you to the Google URL shortener, and you'll be able to see the traffic stats on there. So here we see the main site here at dodamobile.com / Tony-Marriott, and of course your short link again, and of course the QR code. So now you'll be able to track all the traffic that comes in from mobile. And if you want a bigger QR code than that, then you can drop this one back into your mobile landing page, QR generator, and of course if I just paste that in there now, as you can see, and update that, that will give us a code that we can copy off and use on any of our printed material. So that's how to create mobile sites in Total Mobile Pages.